Mm. Those s'mores are so good. Kylie, I'm so glad you recommended us going camping. Or whatever this is. Ugh, I'm late. Hey, you made me drop my marshmallow. Sorry, but thank you for recommending this. This is so fun. Yeah, can't wait till my s'mores are done. This fire is so warm. Yeah. I'm getting sleepy. Stay awake with me. Fine. Why are you wearing your Hunger Games costume? Because that's not an answer. Because I'm just so obsessed with Hunger Games. I mean, I love the Hunger Games. They're so awesome. I love them. I love them. I love them. So you love the Hunger Games more than Peyton? Yeah. And that's a lot because you guys, like, know I'm obsessed with Peyton. Yeah, you are. Yeah, that's pretty intense. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for it to come out March 23rd. March 23rd, March 23rd. Why do I have to wait? Why do you have to wait? No, why? Why? Calm down. Jeez. You're right. I'm crazy. Maybe I should eat some more. Oh, that's so good. There's so many bugs here. You're fine, I'll spray. I'll spray myself. Okay, there we go. You used all the bug spray? Why would you say that? Because it sounded like it was empty? Yeah, I did. I don't like bugs. Ugh, Ariana, I can't believe you used all of it. I was trying to be quiet, I'm sleeping. What was that? I don't know. What is that? Oh, it's probably just like a raccoon or something. No, it's not. It's something here. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? I heard like a branch crack. I did too. Oh no. Oh my gosh, what is that? It's all in your imagination. I don't even hear it. What is that? I don't know. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Stupid. I hate animals. I hate animals. Get away from my sister. No. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got you. You guys were scared, weren't you? Weren't you? Weren't you? Probably not, because we suck at scaring people. Anyways, have a great day. And remember, March 23rd. March 23rd. Yeah, March 23rd. Yeah. Sorry for her craziness. Yeah.